So hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel, and this is 2021, and in this video guys I will show you if you can use the Omlet arcade that have background music. So the version of this Omlet arcade is 1.62.3, and later I will show you, and I will put the link so you can download it. So you can see the official version 1.62.3, and now I will try to live. So first I will show you the background music. So I will use my YouTube account, and go to stream settings like that. So here, so you can see there's a background music. So background music beta, I think they removed this because it's a beta, so I don't know why they removed, but it's beta, so I think they will put soon. So you can hear that. This is my favorite, I think so. Okay, so let's try to use Grove, and I will live. Okay, microphone on, so on, and this is the let's do dummy. Yeah, this is dummy. So let's start it. So let's check again. Background music on, microphone on. Let's off the microphone, so if you can hear. So even you open background music and you off microphone, there was internal. So let's start it. Keep your personal safety. Got it.
A few moments later.
So I see. So this is the video. Okay. Okay, let's go to YouTube. Let's see if there's some music, the background music. So there is. So you can use this version. Yeah. So now I'll show you how to search it, or just Omlet arcade. Just do that search and go to here, up to down. I will show you guys. So older version. So I will just put the link, and 1.62.3. This is. So let's copy this. Copy the link. So that's all, guys. Sure. That's all, guys. So you can use the older version of the Omlet arcade that have background music. So I'll put the link in the description or the comment section, and that's all, guys. So please give a like this video, guys, and subscribe if you haven't. So that's all, guys. Stay safe, guys. Bye.